Hello, welcome 60 Graphics. My name is CGDGS60 and we are continuing with our system database, after system database. The last tutorial we ended up in the expense properties. We have seen these expense properties, how to request the expense. Okay, we have seen this form, how to make this form, and the yes. Also, we have seen how the admin approve the expense. So in administration here we have the button here. Down here we have the pending approval. So here the admin will come and up the expense. I have said that when the admin approve this expense will be interacted to your data analysis. Here we have data analysis. Okay, we will see how to do this data analysis. So to see how the profit and the loss, the expense also will be calculated within that. So just bear in mind, the expense must be approved clearly without interfering the budget and the profit and loss of your inventory. Okay, so let us go and check this expense property. Today we see this form, how to build this form. So I'm going to design view, so as we can check how this form has been built. Okay, we're going to close this one. So we are here now. So this is the form, just form with details only. Okay, it has no header, and here we have the this is can say this is a tab. Just drag the tab, create a form, drag the tab. Okay, let me show you the tabs. Where the tabs, list books, combo books. Okay, this one. Oh, no, what this? Let me check here. This one, I see this one, tab control. Okay, the tab control. Okay, just drag the tab control to your form, then name the first tab. Okay, name the first tab. Also after that one, drag also in that first tab, drag the list box. Okay, let's come here and choose the list box. Okay, list box, this one, list box. Customize your list box as you wish. As you see here, I have the unbound list box. So after that one, customize your list box query, arrange it query and give it a name. As for me, it is called the list pending XP request. Okay, then add the button above the list box. Remember, this is on the expense tab, but this expense request, you see this expense request, this is the expense request. This tab is called expense request. When you come here, you see the name of the tab is called expense request. So we will be putting the code to when you click like this. Let me show you. When you click pending, it will be written as pending, and when you click approve, will be written as approved. And here down to see it will change to the data for approved. So bear with me now, so as we can do this one. Some of you have been asking me questions about I have gotten error, I've gotten error. Please just go step by step, don't skip step. Okay, that's why I instruct you from step by step. Okay, so here we have this tab, and this tab has these things here. Okay, these things here, you see here, I have told you to add the in below this what we add the, when we click here, you see this the line of tab. Okay, you see the line of tab is including these buttons. Okay, so just add the buttons inside that tabs. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. So let me create a form here so you can understand. Let me create a form here. You see a form like this one. This is the design form. Then color format, color here. Okay, let me choose this color, though this is my color. So I assume this is my form like this one. So this is form one, then my form. Then I will go to the form design. Then I will choose this tab control. Then I'll come here and drag this one like this one. You see we have two tabs already here. We have page 1 and page 2. Okay, so we can delete this page 1, page 2. Okay, we delete this page 2. When we remain with one page, this one page, rename this one page 1 into a certain name. That's here I have named this expense request. Okay, so name this as expense request, expense request. Okay, this is the expense request. Then you see this is the expense request. So here, down here, we are going to add the list box. Okay, so we are going to add the list box. This is the list box. Just drag this list box here. Okay, like this one. Then we make this list box unbound. Okay, and we delete this. Okay, then we drag this list box to here. So we can do these things. We can drag this box to down here, so as we can have this. So rename your list box. Okay, this is list box 3. Rename your list box, maybe list pending. Okay, then here upward here, just add the button. Okay, add the button. So I will add this button here. See this one. Then you see how to add this button. Okay, add this button. So you see you have you can arrange those buttons here. So I know now you know how to build this form. So you arrange these buttons, then you put the names, then the other things. That's all. Okay, so this is our form now. So let us continue. So you see here I have these buttons here. I have the new add new, I have pending, I have approved, CMD approved, corrections, rejected, refresh. Then I have the text box there, and I have this search text search button and show button. So here we want, when we click add new, we prompt the form to add a new item, and these items will be listed to the this list box. So just let us go and see what is inside this one. Okay, in the CMD add new request, express request, we'll go to the that event. Okay, we see here we have the do cmd.open express form. This express form is the form that we had learned from a previous tutorial. Just go to the previous tutorial. If you have not seen that tutorial, just go and check that tutorial so as you can connect it. So we open this form, and me.expense request.caption. So you see this the caption above here, this one. You see this is expense request. So the name of this one I want here, when I click add new, then here will be caption there is add new. Okay, like in this code states add new expense. So when I load this form here, see in the default it is captioned as pending. Okay, because when we in the default we see the pending. Okay, but when you click add new, you see this it's captioned as adding new expense, because we are going to add new expense here. Okay, I think you are following. Okay, so in this button we put this code. We open the form. After opening the form, we change the caption to the caption expense request caption to adding new expense. Okay, that's all. Okay, then here in the pending order. Okay, pending. So remember, when we add the expense, after save the expense, this the expense populate to this populate to this list box. Okay, so just note that we have the save from here. We have the save here, which populate the list box to the to expense pending approval. But here we can filter what data to be displayed here in the list. When we click pending, we want to see the pending order. When we click approved, we want to see the approved, and so on. Okay, so let us go and check for these buttons here. So let's in the pending button, it's named as CMD pending. In the on click, we have this code here. Okay, we have this code here. So you see here, this is the CMD pending. On click, then first of all we are we are referring from the source. We embed the source code, the list, the source to the list. Okay, that's it. Me.list pending expense request. This is the name of the list box, our list box. Then we put .low source. Then we put the SQL here, SQL statement. So we select the expense ID. Remember, we have the table expense ID. Then we select those field. So if we want this field to be written as maybe you can see here. Let me see, let me show you here. When I load this from here, okay, and I click pending, you see I have created on category and description. This customize the header, right? Customize the header in the list box. So if you want to create customized header to the list box, just to do like this. Okay, in the, let me show you here in the pending. So you see here in here we select expense ID, we put comma, we select created on, but we don't want to be written as created on. This we want to be format as created space on. Okay, so if you want to customize the header to the list box, you must use this format of customization. Okay, created on as created on, then you put this square brackets, then comma, then created category comma. This is a concatenation to migrate from the new line. Then we have description. We have reference num as reference number. So if you see you don't want the header to appear as this, so you customize this like this one. So you put the these fields, also all fields. Then we after putting those all fields like this one, due date as due date, status created by as created by, then account payable, then from we are going to fetch this to the account payable. The last story, I think we've seen this table, but today I will show you also this table. We must fetch the pending order from the account payable, because when we in the previous tutorial we have seen the expense form. When we save or request the expense form, we were saving the data to the account payable. You remember, we have the I think if I don't forget it, we have the insert, the record set of the record set to the account payable. So here is the form from account payable, where we put the criteria, where status equal to pending for approval. So this is the criteria to filter. When I click pending, I want to show only those expense with the status pending to approval. Okay, that's all. And here I order them as created on in this same. So the one who is created before will be an above and the highlighted. Okay, then after referencing this, after populating, after referencing the list source, low source from the list box, then we calibrate this me.list pending express request dot column count. Then we count our column. What column we have? We have 9 columns. We'll count this one, 1, 2, 3. Then we come to 9. Then we put the heads equal to true, so as we can see these words. Okay, start as this one, and we put the width of each column, so as the data will be shown proper. So you can calibrate according to the what, when you start from expense ID, we don't want to see the expense ID, so we put the centimeter equal to 0. Then when you come to created on, we put 2.5 centimeter. So that's shown. Just create this one, okay, like this one. Okay, you see. Then after that, then we put me.expense.request.caption equal to pending. We change it from that expense request equal to caption equal to pending. Then find the new item. This find the new item is the function, is the sub. I can say the sub function that highlight the newest expense, pending expense or approved. That's the find new item. For now, you can leave as it is, because I will show you how to make this one. Okay, then if new item index 0, this is one of the of this one. Okay, so here we are going to highlight, okay, to highlight new item to the list box. Okay, so we will see this one. Okay, so when you will reach here, for the meantime, when you reach here, you can go now to check who you are, your data, if the code work properly. Okay, so this depending to approval. So the format is this one, but the changes come to the status. When the status is equal to approved, so when that's all. So let's go and see from approve. In approve, when you see in approve, you see, okay, made.list expense resource, select from expense ID, blah, 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 blah. But we have the payment voucher T. We have this table, so we select from the payment voucher T. Okay, remember we have account payable, we have payment voucher T. This is the approved. We want the approved expense will be inserted to the payment voucher T. This is the table. Then we set the criteria to see approved only order, and then we order by paid on into the descending order. Then the rest are the same. Then they find the new item. This is the I have told you the area. Okay, so correction also will be like so. Okay, correction dot quick. Then we check from the account payable, because the correction will be is not it is still not verified expense. That's why it will be on the account payable. Later, the status will be different. They will be pending for approval, and will be the need correction or rejected. Rejected, pending for approval, and the need correction. We also those data will be available to the account payable T. Account payable T. This is the table, and those expenses which have been approved will be in the this payment voucher T. So let us go to see this payment voucher T and the account payable now. Okay, I think you understand how to code it from this to show item to your list box. Okay, so then we are going to see this table. We have the account payable, this one. Okay, account payable, this one. I think I have expanded the area. We have account payable ID as auto number, created on a date and time, cost center short text, document number, short text, reference number, short text, category, short text, expense ID, short text, description, long text. We have a total payable number. Okay, we have total payable as number, and we have due date as date and time. We have paid amount to number. We have balance calculated here. The balance will be calculated equal total payable minus paid amount. Total payable minus paid amount. Okay, then we have the pay channel. Okay, we have the paid on, we have status, we have status date, and the created by. Okay, this is the account payable. Then you go to check the payment voucher, payment voucher T. Okay, payment voucher T, this one. Then you see this one. Okay, we have the payment voucher T, voucher ID as the auto number, created on date and time, payment ID, payment account payable ID. Okay, we have account payable ID as a number. Okay, we have a category as a short text, expense ID as short text, description is long text, total paid number, due the total due number, and the paid on is date and time. Okay, and status date and time, and the created by short text. Okay, that's we have that two table. And I have told you that payment voucher it will include only the approved expense, and the expense the account payable will include only those pending approval, will include the need for correction, and the will for rejected expenses. Okay, that's true. So now we have seen these patterns. Okay, rejected, correction, approved. So approved we select from where payment voucher T, and this the list pending and correction and rejected will be fetched from the payment, will be fetched from the account payable T. Okay, that's so. Then here we have the button for refresh, so we can refresh, refresh. Then we have the text box here. Just to drag the text box, put here, and its caption, put the search. Then we have the search button, and we have the show all button. I have put this icon. Okay, so this is a text search. The name of this text box is text search, and the name of this button, it is called the CMD search, and the name of this button, it is called the CMD show. Okay, so we are going to check. We want to filter when we write here some, and we filter anything will be presented in this list box. Anything populated at that time, this list box will be searching at that time. I think you understand. So we are going to check the code behind the search box, search button. We click on click, then go to this one. Okay, so here we have first we have we must deem this as a variant. Okay, say str search as a variant and the str criteria as a string. Then we put str search equal to me dot text search dot value. So anything written to the text search will be grabbed as text search. So if is null, we check for the null value. If the text search is null, then we beep and please type anything in this. Okay, then we make the sub, then we end if. Then if me.expense.request.caption is equal to pending. Remember, we have this one here. We have this tab here. If this is equal to pending, then so we use this criteria so as we can search anything that populated in this list box. Okay, so now let's continue. So if me.expense.request.caption equal to pending, then we set criteria now. So our criteria is equal to select expense ID created on as created on, category, comma, description, reference num as reference num. Okay, total payable as total payable, due date as due date, comma, status dot comma, created by as created by, from we search from account payable because this is pending. Remember, pending orders will be stored to the account payable. Then where we put the criteria here. Remember, we use like because anything written there we can search. Okay, we use like where created on. So we start from created on, like, and put the concatenation here and str search, or created by, we put the name of the user who created the expense, so you can search from the user. Okay, or you can search the category. What category do you want? Okay, so the thing is this, the format is this one. So you can search, or you search category like anything in str search, grabbed from the str search. Okay, then we calibrate the list. Okay, so me dot list pending expense request dot low source equal to str criteria. The str criteria, this one. So this is the source. So but we will show this, will show only the thing which is written to the str search. I think you understand what I'm doing here. Then we put the column count, then we put the heads, then we put the width. Okay, that's all. Then as if also when it's approved, remember this we search from payment voucher. Then the thing is be that like that. So we search from created on, created by, and create category like. So which category you can search from category, you can search from status, and we put the status will be equal to approved. Remember, this is the criteria, and the status must be approved. Okay, so this is a code. Okay, the format is the same. So me if me expense request caption equal to need correction. So if you need correction, remember this we search from where account payable. Remember, the need from correction, rejected, and pending will be stored in the account payable T. Okay, so we put there, and we put the format is the same. Okay, the format is the same. Okay, just do this, the format is the same. Do like this, the format is the same. This is we concatenate to the new line, or we migrate from the new line. When you want to migrate to the new line, you do that. I think you understand. If we made request caption the rejected, so you see the rejected payment voucher. Okay, I see. Rejected will be also in the payment voucher because yeah. That's all. So pending and needed for collection will be in the this table account payable, and approved and rejected will be payment voucher. Okay, understood now. Okay, I think you understood now, so you can do what. So here we have all the criteria for searching. This search, this is the search. Okay, the search, just write the code. I don't provide the code because people don't like the code. They are going to paste the code, then they get error because they paste the code according for the format where I have format for me here. But you can write the code according to you, what you have been built, and write the code according to the what you have been built. Don't copy and paste. Okay, that's why you got an error. Okay, this is the search criteria. That's how you search. Okay, then we are going to show we have only this button in the show. We'll go to this one. You see here, if me.expense.caption is equal to pending, then we show the without any criteria. Okay, me.list.request me.list pending expense request resource, select expense ID, whatever. Then in short, you can copy and paste here. You will see here when you can copy this one. Okay, you can copy this one. Okay, you can copy until here. Okay, then copy and paste. Yes, paste in here. You see what is it? me.express.request.caption pending. Then you paste as if me.paste as if paste. That's all. They are repeating. That's all. So I think we have made so far. So let us go and test our code now. So we are going to load this form. We are going to log in. Okay, so as you can get the okay, I'm logging in like this. So an expense, then add a new expense. Remember, we create a new expense. Just reload the expense. We put amount. Maybe it is 1000 or it is 10,000, not 1000. Then we search the category. Of course, we have I think I have explained how to make the category. But here, unfortunately, we don't have category. Let me add the category first. Okay, let me go and add the category here. So I came here, add the category, maybe West. Then I save. Okay, then I come here and search then add new. Then a new. Okay, select then 1000. Okay, then you select the category West. Then this is for West. Okay. Maybe put nil. Then I click save. When I click save, you see I have this pending upload the expense here. You see it's pending to upload. When I click pending, you see I have pending. When I click upload, nothing here. When I click need collection, nothing here. So let me go and return to collection and reject. Okay, so as you can see what is going on. So after that, when you came here, you see this this button has the red color. So admin will see this, and here you see the notification. Here we have one notification for approval. Then I click this one. Then you see here pending approval, we have one expense. So here now we have this one. We see this is the expense need to be approved. When you double click this one, you see it's open this form. This form is for confirmation for admin. Okay, and here the status is pending approved. So I want to send it to collection. Okay, I can write the what the somebody need to collect here. Okay, maybe I want to say reduce quantity. Okay, and put money, then a correction. So you see a need for correction. Okay, see it's need for correction. So when somebody I think the user come to see the expense, you see in pending it is absent, but in approved also it is absent. Okay, it can be rejected. In rejected, absent. But when you click need for correction, you see it need for correction. When you double click this one to correct it, you see here reduce quantity and money. So I can come here and delete this one and put 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Then I will delete this one also and put I have reduced to 500. Okay, this 5,000. Then I'll correct. Then it will be sent to pending. Okay, here you see pending for approval. Then when admin come here, you see it has one notification. Also, it has admin it has the task here in administration. So when you click this and come here, then you double click here, you see I have reduced it to this one, and you see you see the amount. So you can approve this amount. When you click approve, you just approve by type the amount you want to. Then you see the balance is equal to 0. Remember this minus this one is equal to 0. Then instruct where to get the cash, and you can approved, then approve. Then when the user come, we see here when you come here and click pending, nothing, correction, nothing, rejected, nothing. So in approve, see the thing is approved. Okay, the thing is approved. So we see how it work here. And for the rejection it's also like that one, and for the correction it's also like that one. So that's the case. So we have seen this form. Then the last we have remain to see is this here, pending for approve, and the form behind this when you double clicking this one, but they are the same as the last tutorial. So just wait a minute. So the next tutorial we will go and see what to make this notification here, to see these notifications and other things. Welcome 6 graphics. My name is Julius 6. Welcome again, welcome and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Ciao.